So my name is Professor Cath Collins. I'm Professor of Transitional Justice here at the Institute. I've been here about 3 years now. A lot of my background is in Latin America, so I'm someone who's worked and practiced and now is researching and teaching in transitional justice in general, but particularly with lots of experience in Latin America. So the courses on which I teach here at the Institute are Foundations of Transitional Justice, which everyone takes in the first year of the LLM, and then an optional course on Transitional Justice in Latin America. So in that foundation module, we're really talking about what does this transitional justice thing mean? What is this interface between law and politics where conflict happens, where things need to be put back together? How do we deal with the human cost, the human aftermath of conflict and authoritarian states around the world? We talk about truth commissions, we talk about prosecutions, amnesties, all of the kinds of things that people have tried and tested and are still struggling with when we try and think about what do we do after genocide? How do we put a society back together after conflict? Can law help? Do we need to understand the politics, the social science of a place if we want to be part of that solution? So once students have done those foundational modules and really got to grips with transitional justice, with human rights issues, then we have all kinds of options where they can specialise and really dig into a concept, an issue, or a place. In my case, I teach a regional course on Latin American transitional justice, one of the big main regions where this idea of transitional justice came from. So it's a chance for students to really look at a whole region, look at Chile, Argentina, all of the kinds of things, how transitional justice is put together in the real world. So we think about the law, we think about the ideas and the concepts, but then we go and we say people don't live in legal abstractions, people live in real places. So we go and we look at how does this play out, what are the things that we need to keep thinking about, how can we help people in real places grapple continually with these ongoing questions. So who would be a good student for this course, or who would enjoy this course? Really, we have a wide range of students, and one of the fantastic things about this place is we're in this post-conflict setting, we're in this tiny corner of Europe, but a place with lots of local issues, lots of local people, experts, people we can talk to and engage with around the issues, and that attracts a really international range of students. So in my time here, I've taught students from Burma, from all around the world. Sadly, no end of conflict places with conflict issues to resolve, and so many of them are interested, quite rightly, in coming here and in sitting and sharing that expertise around the table. So really, anyone with some kind of dynamic, engaged interest in this, people with a background in law, people who want to know something about politics, any of those students, really, anyone who's really keen and engaged and wants to know about human rights, about conflict, and about the kinds of difference that they can make, I'd say any of those people would find lots to enjoy and lots to really get involved with in this course. It's interdisciplinary, you have experts from all around the world, experts from law, experts from other disciplines.